Do you include music in your work environment, and do you know how it affects your work? Although it is a controversial topic, music can motivate you depending on the work you do. Let's take a look at the research on this. It strengthens your mind. Researchers have long known that playing an instrument is a crucial tool when talking about how to encourage children to be creative, thoughtful, empathetic, and have better motor skills. Most of us have a more developed right or left brain. This roughly relates to our skills in logic and creativity, but the processes are much more complex than explanations. However, musicians' brains have a symmetrical structure. They get higher scores on intelligence tests. This shows that the two sides of the brain work better together. The researchers also discovered that musicians develop spatial relationship skills, a relationship between music and visual skills that we don't fully understand yet. While it may seem like playing an instrument is what causes the greatest improvements in mental function, it's important to understand the dramatic effects music has on our brains. It reduces task fatigue. When the researchers were asked, "Will the music help you complete this task?" the first question they asked in response was, "What is the task?" When you need to complete a repetitive task that doesn't require a lot of attention, music is a critical way to reduce task fatigue. To expand the task fatigue, it means that completing a task over and over is getting boring and frustrating. For this type of work, music can be fruitful. It reduces sensory input. It has been shown that employees will feel better at work if employers wear headphones while listening to their own music in order to create more awareness of autism and ADHD in the public sphere. The research supports the idea of simple noise suppression. However, in some settings, music can make sensory input bearable. It improves your mood. We have known for a long time that music increases the production of dopamine, so much so that in some cases it is used as a therapy technique. Dopamine is brain chemicals released during rewards, therefore, raising dopamine levels when completing tasks helps us feel rewarding and empowered, while helping us complete tasks that you would otherwise find frustrating. It allows you to create a positive working environment. Many offices are evolving towards open office models. Looking at these areas, it looks more pleasing to the eye. But it can also be distracting and frustrating. The music played in such environments does not appeal to you and may be disturbing. It would be much better if everyone wears headphones to listen to the music they want. How is your relationship with music? Do you listen to music while working?